So in this video, I'm going to be talking about one strategy where your credit does not matter when you're buying land. So this is exactly why I got into the land business, because I noticed that with other types of real estate, if you're buying a house or you're trying to buy a commercial building / hotel or whatever, your credit it could be a limiter, right? If you have bad credit or if you're young and you don't really have established credit, land is a perfect way for you to get in and own real estate. Credit scores and stuff, in my opinion, don't matter when purchasing land when you buy land with owner financing or seller financing, as some people call it. So when you're buying land with owner financing, what it is it's like a land contract or a contract for deed, which means that you as the buyer of this piece of land are entering into an agreement with the seller and say, hey, I'm gonna pay you, let's say they're selling their piece of land for $10,000. You're paying this $10,000 over the specified term. So for our company, most of our pieces of land that we're selling are like a 3-year term or 4-year term or 5-year term. So that means that the $10,000, you don't have to be out of pocket with it today. You can pay $200 a month for 48 months to pay off your $10,000 for that piece of land. And at the end of that time, you would become the new owner. So your credit score doesn't matter because most land companies, at least ours, we don't do credit checks because with a land contract, a credit check isn't really necessary. And anyone who can come up with a down payment and continue making the monthly payment can own their own piece of land. So don't let credit, limit you when you're looking to purchase land. One way you can do this is you can go on Land Watch and you can find land companies. If you go under owner financed land and you click on it, you'll see all the land companies out there that are selling their piece of land with owner financing. And some companies have different terms. Some of them might make you put 20% down or 25% down. I can't speak for other companies, but for our company, we don't have giant down payments. It's your first month's payment is your down payment. So you can search for land for sale with owner financing or seller financing, or you can find a land company that offers great deals on vacant pieces of land, and your credit score no longer matters for you to own a piece of land.